Do you want to understand metabolic health more? There is some material, very beautiful material by Benjamin Bigman. He is amazing. He's big on metabolic health. This book is simplified. Anybody can read it and understand what is happening in their health. You want to also know a little bit more about diabetes, how to reverse type 2 diabetes. We've got Dr. Jason Fang. He is a big, guys. These are all metabolic health professionals that will help you understand all these things easily like that. And then, do you want to read Fasting Like a Gal? If you want to understand why we talk about intermittent fasting and how you want to do this easily, especially if you're a woman and you want to balance your fasting with your hormones and not struggle through, listen, it is doable. We can fast, girls, ladies, women, and we get amazing benefits. It's just about understanding how we start. You can put your hands on these things if you're more serious about your health and understand yourself better.